Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basic. With the help of Character AI, it's possible to develop a believable and interesting discussion with imaginary characters. AI needs to be trained with a variety of example messages, imaginary character, though in order to proceed the best potential response. So the first step is to utilize everyday language, avoid employing jargon or technical terminology that character AI might not comprehend. For instance, you may state my character is a programmer who writes a code for computer rather than my character is a software engineer. Secondly, be creative. Don't hesitate to try out various writing methods and styles. Character AI will be more engaging to interact with the more imaginative you are. So you may, for instance, compose a poem or a song about your character or write a dialogue between that character and another, and also be consistent and specific. Verify that the example you use corresponds to the details you have given about your character. If your character is bashful, for instance, avoid having them give speeches in front of a huge crowd in order to keep your thoughts and idea about your character organized and your example message consistent with one another. You might find it useful to use a character example message template. You can use the following basic models: first name your character, then list characters personality traits, after that the backstory and goals also mentioned, it flaw and strength, and lastly example